a magical place in a little corner of Las Dichas, in the coldest and wintermost part of the Casablanca Valley. Over the years, the hills were slowly painted green. Sea breezes, mystical fog, sandy soils, black and red clay. These have been the home for our best grapes, those who connect to create authentic wines that represent and respect the place where they are born. In this house, that for 30 years has been your home, you will always be welcome. We invite you to be a part of this incredible story. Cool Climate Family Wines, pioneers in Casablanca, Chile. CASAS del Bosque, a place where land takes the shape of a dream.